Project 24, Part 3. We have one more if statement right here. Go to that one. If, and if this is equal to 2, then if it's true, then we're going to pay the $4.25. And click on that or just type into $4.25. If it's false, it's nothing. You don't pay anything. So we hit OK, and now you can check it to see if it's that or it worked. So I'm going to add all these numbers up into the total column. Now I'm going to add a macro, but before I added a macro, I have to go to the Developer tab and go to Macro Security, and under it put Enable All Macros, and then hit OK, which I already did, and then save this. So File, Save As, I've already done it. So go to this and save it as a macro enabled. You might have to go down to the little box where it says Excel, macro enabled worksheet. And then close this one and reopen that. And when you reopen it, macros will be enabled. So you do have to enable macros, close this file, and then reopen it. Some of you may not have to do that, but I had to do it in order to get it to work. And I've had to do it for years like that. So I'm going to insert a button, the very first top left-hand corner. I'm going to insert a button right here. And now that the macros are enabled, I can do things on here. And I'm just going to use that name. I don't care. You don't want to mess with this too much because it's very temperamental. And I'm going to hit record. And then I'm going to go, everything I do will be saved. Every step. So I'm going to click on this, okay, and hit OK. I'm just going to hit the button. I'm not going to, you can do other keys too. I'm going to click on that thing, that first sheet, then I'm going to the next sheet, and I'm going to change this to 1. Even if it says 1, change it to 1. If I want, I'm going to have it all the way. So I'm going to make this true. Even if it says true, change it to true. False, I'm going to change that to true. And I'm going to change this to 2. And then I'm going to click down here somewhere, and then I'm going to go up to the other sheet and click back on this sheet right here and put equals this total price times, let's say 90% of the usual price, 0.9. Enter. Then I want to stop the macro, so you have to go up here and hit stop recording. All right, now you can see if it works. You can change this to the bare bones, nothing. Air dry, whatever. And then I meant to tell you to change the name to this. Edit the text. You can call that Today's Special. All right, and so then if I click on here, let's see if it changes everything. Changed it to, I don't know, I can't remember. You can click off everything. I must have changed it all before. So Today's Special, that's only the special price. The other things don't get a discount. Every other kind of car wash, you have to pay the blue. But Today's Special, you get all the way for $37.35. And that's that project. Kind of complicated, but somebody else will be demonstrating macros for their project.